Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Let's start with our meditation. That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in your lap and close your eyes. Good job. Feel for boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand to your lap. And let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And we're ready to begin our math lesson. In this lesson, we're going to describe our 3D shapes. So we'll review the shapes that we learned, and we'll think about how some of those shapes are all around us. We will also do a worksheet to figure out the number of faces, edges, and corners on each of our 3D shapes. So first, let's review them. Raise your hand if you can tell me one of the shapes that we talked about in our last lesson.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Think about the new ones that we learned.
Cone.
Cone. Cone. Good, like an ice cream cone. Cone. Got it? How does it look? Show me how it looks with your hands. Like a cube. Like a square? Like a cube. Cube. Good. Oh, okay. Tell me. Okay? Tell me. Tell me. Which one? A little bit different. A little bit different. That's cool. Like that shape?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're going to review them. We're going to review those shapes that we learned yesterday. So we've got the cube. Cube.
Cube.
It's kind of like a little box, tiny box.
and corn and
The cuboid.
cuboid.
It's a funny word. Can you practice that word?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Yeah, a cuboid is kind of like a square, a rectangle, but it's got 3D shape to it. It's got volume. It's got volume. Cuboid.
Cuboid.
This is our cube.
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 Cone.
So beautiful.
Thank you. Cone.
Cone.
We can think like an ice cream cone. We also have our round one. Sphere.
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 Good. It's a tricky word. Like a ball. Sphere. Or an orange. Sphere.
Sphere ball.
We also have the pyramid.
Pyramid. Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Good. Pyramid.
Pyramid.
And pyramid is kind of shaped a little bit like a triangle, but it's got volume to it. Pyramid.
Pyramid. Chocolate.
And our last one, cylinder. That's what you were thinking of? Cylinder. Cylinder. Oh, yeah. That's okay, friends. They're new words for us, so we're going to practice them again today.
P-Y-O-A.
The pyramid?
Yeah.
Cool.
I like
Good.
P-U-B.
Good, friends. So these are all of our shapes that we're going to learn about, or that we have learned about. We're going to keep learning about them. Let's go through them one time before our PowerPoint. Sphere.
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 Good. Think about a ball, or an orange, or a round watermelon.
Apple.
Good. Cuboid.
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 Good. Think about a long box. Long box. Cube.
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 Good. A cube. It's like a square box. Pyramid.
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 Good. The pyramid is kind of like a triangle shape, but it has volume.
And flavor.
Yeah. Good. Cylinder. Cylinder. What is a cylinder like? It's kind of like a cup. Think about a cylinder as a cup
Or glass.
or a glass. Good. Cone.
Corn.
What do we think about for a cone?
Ice cream.
An ice cream cone. Or a little party hat. Very good. Great job, friends. Okay, let's review our shapes that we learned. What's this shape?
Cowboy.
Close.
Cube. Cube.
Cube. Good job. Cube.
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 Very nice, friends. You can take a clue by looking at our pictures here for our shapes over here. Cube.
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 Let's practice. Cube.
Cube. Cube. Cube. Pen. Cube.
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 Cube. Cube.
Cube.
Cube.
Good.
Cube. Cube. Cube.
Good.
Cube.
Cube. Cube. Cube. Cube. Good. We really want to hear that B sound. Cube.
Cube.
Cube. What do you think this shape is?
QB.
Good. Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Very nice job, friends. Cuboid. 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 A cuboid is like a long box. Our cube is like a square box. Our cuboid is like a long rectangle box. Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Cuboid, good.
Keyboard. Keyboard.
Good. Cuboid.
Keyboard.
Cuboid. Very nice. Good job, friends. One more time. What is this?
Keyboard.
Very good. Sphere. Good. It's like the word fear, like afraid, with an S in front. Sphere. Sphere. Good job. Yeah, that P and H looks kind of funny. It makes a f sound together. Sphere. Sphere is like our ball. Sphere. Sphere. 2 is going to start for us. Sphere. Sphere. Good. Pass it to down. Very nice. Good, friends. Sphere. Good. Pass it to Nate. Sphere. Sphere. Good job. Sphere. Very good. Very nice job. Everybody, sphere. Sphere. Okay, sphere. Sphere. Very nice. We should. Good. Cone. Cone. We can think of ice cream or our party hat. Cone. Cone. Great job. Cone. Cone. Great work, friends. Cone. Cone. Great job. Cone. Cone. Very nice. We think about a little party hat or an ice cream cone. Cone. Or we can think about it as a nose. Think about it as a nose. It's like a cup. It's a tricky word. Ready? Cylinder. 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 And we can think about a cup. It's kind of the same shape as a cup. Cylinder. Cylinder. Okay, let's start on this side. Cylinder. Good. Good. Very nice. Very good. Cylinder. Good job, friends. Cylinder. Cylinder. Okay, this one. Take a look on our board. What do you think this shape could be? Pyramid. Pyramid. Good job, friends. That's cool. It's tricky. Pyramid. 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 Good. Pyramid. Good. Pass it to Pot.
Pyramid. Pyramid.
Good. Pyramid. Very nice. It does look like chocolate. Pyramid. Pyramid. Very nice. Pyramid.
Mountain.
It looks like a little mountain. Good.
Spoon.
Good. Very. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Pyramid. Pyramid. Very nice. Okay, let's review some of the parts of our shapes. We have corner. Corner. Raise your hand if you can show me where a corner is on our board. Show me a corner. Pot, show me a corner. Show me a corner. Corner. Show me a corner on one of these shapes. Where's the corner? Is that the corner? Where's the corner? Corner, friends, take a look. That's a cone. Close. Friends at the board, take a look over here. Look over here, Pot. Pack Boom, look over here. These are corners. Corners. Show us the corners on some of those shapes. Okay, put a little star there or an arrow. Hold on, buddy. Why don't you do the pyramid, Pot? Do the corners on the pyramid. Very nice. How many corners are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Do you think there's one we can't see back there?
Yes.
Yeah.
8.
That's cool. We can't see it. That's okay. We know it's there. Very nice job. How many corners?
1, 2.
Hold on, buddy. Scoot over.
5, 6, 7.
Do you think there's one behind that we can't see?
8.
Yeah, we probably have 8. Good job, my friend. Okay, Pot. Working up there. I'll get the top one for you. I'll get it for you, bud. Good job. Okay, very nice. How many corners on our pyramid? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you think there's one behind that we can't see? Yeah, we've got 5 on that pyramid. Good job. Those are our corners. Do we have corners on a sphere?
No.
Do we have corners on this cylinder?
Yes.
We do?
Yes.
Where are they? Here? Where? These?
Yes.
These are round too. They're like circles. They're kind of like circles, so maybe the drawing isn't. Does it come together like this? Take a look. Do you see any corners?
No.
Do we have any corners like we do on our squares or on our cubes? No, a little bit different. So the corners are for the shapes with flat lines. When we have curved lines, that doesn't make a corner. What about a face? Do you remember what a face is on our shapes? Do you remember? A face. Can you show us a face? Show us a face. Show us some faces. Where's a face? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Can you show us the face? Okay. Ooh, close, friends. Take a look over here. Take a look over here at our PowerPoint. Prow, let go. Take a look. The face is like the sides. The sides. Face is like the sides. So like these flat sides. There you go. I know it's a little tricky. Let's see. Close. Close. You got one. Very nice. That's good. That one's good. That's a face. That one's cool. Very nice. Okay, good. Okay, good job. You're all finished. Thanks, bud. Very nice. Okay, down's got our cylinder face. Very nice. How many do we see on this cylinder? How many faces? How many do we see? How many? many? One. Do you think there's another one down here that we can't see?
Yes.
Yeah, look at our cylinder. We've got 1, 2. Sometimes if we draw it, we can't see the whole thing. Good job.
Finish.
What about our pyramid? How many faces on our pyramid? How many can we see?
2.
2. Do we have more than 2?
4.
Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Our pyramid's got 5. Very nice. Very nice. Let's look at our cube and cuboid. How many faces do we have? How many sides? How many sides do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Show me.
5.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. 6.
6. Yeah, we've got 6. We've got 6. When we draw it, we can't always see the other sides. We can only see a few of the sides. But when we look at the shape, we can count those faces, and we've got 6. Very nice. We've got our sides here, here, and here. In our picture, we can see 3 of them. But when we look at our shape, we know there's 6 of them. Okay, our last one is the edge. The edge. Edge. Who can show me an edge? An edge. Okay. Edge. Okay. Edge. 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 Coming up, friends. Edge. Edge. Where do you think the edges are? The edge. Good. Take a look over here, friends. These are the edges. Look at our PowerPoint. Look at those red lines. Those are our edges. Edges. Okay. Edges. Do we have any edges on that cylinder? Show us the edges. Do we have any edges here?
No.
No. Let's look over here. Do we have any edges here? What do you think, friends? Do we have any edges on our cylinder?
No. Yeah.
Where? Is that line straight
No.
or curve? Up here?
No.
This?
Yes.
Good thinking. It looks like it in our picture, but if we hold up the shape, do we have any
No.
edges? No. Sometimes our drawings looks a little bit different. What about our cone? Do we have any edges on our cone?
No. Yes.
Think about an ice cream cone.
Yes.
Think about an ice cream cone. Good job.
Yes.
Very nice.
No.
We don't really have any edges on an ice cream cone. We don't really have any edges. Good job, friends. Some of you got a little trick question there. What about our cube? Do we have edges? Do we have any edges on our cube? Do we have any edges on our cube? What do you think, guys? Do we have edges on this cube? Where are they? Where are the edges? Show me the edges. Show me. Yep. Show me another edge. Come on. Show me with your finger. Edges. These. These are the edges. Can you show me on here? Show me the edges. Where are they? These. These are the edges. Show me. Yeah, edges, friends. The edges, thank you, are these parts. These are the edges. The edges, those lines. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna do a little stretch to take a break. So everybody stand up. Stretch your arms up over your head. Stretch out all your fingers. Put your arms in a D and touch your toes. And come up halfway, swing your monkey arms. Heavy arms. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall. Let's do it again. Put your arms up high. Stretch all your fingers. Stretch to one side like a tall tree. Stretch your hands up tall. Get a little bit taller. And stretch to the other side like a tall tree. Good. Put your arms in a T like a tree and touch your toes. And come up halfway, swing your arms. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall. Let's try to balance. Stand on one leg. Stand on one leg. See if you can stay as still as you can on one leg. You can close your eyes. You can put your arms out. But stay as still as you can. You got it? Good. I see. Very nice. Switch legs. Stand on your other leg. Change legs. Want to stay as still as you can. Stand on your other leg. Stay as still as you can. Very nice. Okay, stand on two legs. Good job, friends. Let's do 3 big claps. 3 big jumps. 3 big steps. And 3 big spins. Very nice. Great job. Everybody take a seat. We're going to look at some shapes that we see in our everyday life. So we're going to look at shapes around us. Shapes around us. Shapes that we see a lot. What's this shape?
Cube.
Cube. Cube. Cube. Cube. Very nice. Is this a cube?
Yeah.
This is a kind of game where you can change the colors and make a little pattern. It's called a Rubik's Cube. What are these? Do you remember what these are called? We saw them on our worksheet in our last lesson. Dice. Dice. Very good. What is this? Present. A present or a box. It's present or a box, like a square box or a square present. Cube. Cube. Good. Our long box. Cuboid. Cuboid. Good. Cuboid. Very nice. Do you see anything in our classroom that is shaped like a cuboid?
Yeah.
What?
Candy. Ruler.
Okay. There we go. That pencil boxes. Ruler's a little bit different. A little bit different. Yeah, anything that's like a box, friends. Anything that has volume like a box. Like your desk. Good. Colored pencils. And like the speaker has volume. Good. Yeah. And the refrigerator. Good. Good thinking. What else is a cuboid? Our cell phones can be a cuboid. What is this? A magnet. The bar magnet can be a cuboid that we use for our math lessons. What's this? Eraser. When you have a new eraser, it's like a cuboid. As you use it more and more, it kind of makes those round corners. It loses its shape. Good, friends. Cuboid. Cuboid. Great job. Sphere. 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 Do you see any spheres in our classroom? Clock's a little bit different. It does make a circle. It does make a circle, good, but we want to think like a ball, all the way around, like this ball. Like our ball. Good. Yeah, like a football or a soccer ball. Anything. Yeah, the earth is like a sphere. A volleyball is a sphere. Good. Our earth is a sphere. What else is a sphere? This ball. Is this ball a sphere?
Yeah.
Sure is. What about one of those things up in the sky? The sun. Is that a sphere? Yeah. What about the other thing up in the sky that we see at nighttime? Is that a sphere? Yeah. Yeah, this one is very hot. Very, very hot sun. Good, friends. So think about our earth for the sphere, the sun, soccer ball, football, volleyball. All of those things are spheres. Or the moon.
And clock.
Sphere. Sphere.
And clock.
Clock is different, friends. The clock is a circle. But is the clock all the way around like this ball?
No.
No, our clock is flat. Clock is kind of flat. This has more volume. So think about a ball. Think about a kind of ball. Cylinder. Cylinder. Do you see any cylinders in our classroom? Oh. Yeah, this is like a cylinder. Our cups. Yeah. And we hold our markers in as a cylinder. Good. Yeah, even the marker is a tiny cylinder. Good thinking. Yeah, good. What is this? A can. Does a can look like a cylinder? Yeah, it's a little different, but it's mostly like a cylinder. Can. Can is like a cylinder. What else is like a cylinder? A glass. This one, what you're thinking? This one we use to sew. Thread. Thread. Good. Like to sew on your shirt. Our thread comes on a little spool, and it looks like a cylinder. Thread. Yeah, look it. Like what Dew has. Kind of this part, like a cylinder. Good job, buddy. That's like a cylinder. Cylinder. Very nice. Do you know this word? Good, it's tricky. Pyramid. Pyramid. That's okay, we're learning all these words. We've got our food pyramid that we learned about, our food pyramid. Yeah, like the cat's ear. Pyramid. Yeah, like where the mummies live. And what else is kind of like a pyramid? Cheese. Or a mountain is like a pyramid. Good thinking. A mountain is like a pyramid. Very nice. What shape is this? Cone. What are some things that are in a cone? Ice cream is in a cone shape. What else is in a cone shape? Our little party hat. A Christmas tree. A carrot. Good. A Christmas tree is shaped like a cone. A carrot is shaped like a cone. Ice cream cone, of course, this part. The ice cream cone. And our party hats are shaped like a cone. So we've got a lot of these shapes that we see around us already. Okay, we're going to go through our worksheet, which is a little chart. We've got all our shapes here on the side. We've got our faces, corners, and edges that we're going to look at. So we'll go through them together as a class. What's our first shape?
Sphere.
A sphere. A sphere. And we're going to look at faces first. Faces are like the sides. Do you see any sides on this sphere? Nope. Do we have zero faces or sides on this. We don't have any flat sides or faces like our cube, pyramid, and the cuboid. So our sphere has zero faces, right up here. You're going to look where faces and sphere comes together. That's a 0. Okay. Let's think about our cylinder. Cylinder. Think about our cylinder. How many sides does this cylinder have?
2.
Can you show me the sides?
This and this.
Yeah. We've got 2 sides on our cylinder. One flat side here and one flat side here. So our cylinder has 2 sides. Is this a side? What do you think, friends? Is this part a side?
No.
No, why not? Yeah, because it curves. Good. The parts that curve, those aren't sides. Our sides are flat, like here and here. You read what our next shape is? Can you read what our next shape is? Sphere was our first one. What's our next one? Pyramid. Pyramid. Good, friends. How many faces or sides are on our pyramid? Show me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very nice. That pyramid
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
has
1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5.
So for our faces, for our pyramid, how many do we have? 5. You're good. You're good. So your 5 is going to go right there. We're going all down right here. We're doing each shape. That's cool. Cone has one face, one side.
Yes.
Good. Can you get the cone for us? So our pyramid has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pac Boon's going to show us the cone. How many sides on our cone? How many sides?
1.
Where is the side on our cone? On the bottom. The part where the ice cream might go. Yeah, our cone only has one side. One face. Where's the side on the cone?
1.
Where? Show me. Show me. Yeah, there's one side. Okay, our cone has one side on it. What about our cube? Cube or our cuboid?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many sides do we have on this?
6.
Can you show me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very nice. 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Show me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. So we've got 6
1,
sides.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Still 6?
Yeah.
All right. So our cube and our cuboids both have 6 sides. If this was smaller and a cube, it still would have 6 sides. Our long cuboid still has 6 sides. Good. Okay, let's move on to our corners. Okay, put it in your pocket, buddy. Put it in your pocket. Corners.
6.
Corners. Let's look at our sphere.
Corner 6.
How many corners do we have? How many corners, Bang Bon?
0.
Bang Bon, look up here. How many corners?
0.
0. 0 corners. Pot, how many corners?
0.
0. We don't have any corners on this. We don't have any corners on this. Yep, our cube and our cuboid have the same number of faces or sides.
No.
Faces or sides. What about our next shape? What shape is this?
Cube.
Do you remember? Cylinder. Cylinder. Do we have any corners on our cylinder?
Yes. 2.
We have. These are our faces. These are our faces.
0.
Okay, hold on, guys. Do we have any corners on our cylinder?
Yes.
Where?
2.
These are faces. These are sides.
0.
0. We don't have any corners. We don't have any corners like on our cuboid and our square. We don't have any corners. We've got some edges. We've got some faces, but no corners.
Pyramid.
On our pyramid, how many corners do we have? Can you show us?
This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. How many corners do we have?
8.
Show me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Corners.
นี่ภาษาฉัน
Pangwan, these are the corners.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 corners. 8 corners. 8 ice cream. It's just like ice cream. Cylinder. 0. This one 0, and then the 8 down here. How many corners do we have? How many corners?
8.
Can you show me? These are the corners.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. 8 are friends. Corners are 8 corners on our cuboid and our cube. We have 8 corners on our cuboid and our cube. Oops, we went out of order. We went out of order. So on your paper, let me borrow your paper. Our cuboid and our cube are at the very bottom. The bottom 2 are going to have 8s. So put 2 8s down at the bottom. We went in a different order. We went in a different order. So look on your paper, at the bottom of your paper. Everybody look up here. Look up here. At the bottom of your paper, we have cuboid and cube. We have 8 and 8. 8 corners for each one. We skipped our pyramid.
And we said cone is 0.
On our cone, let's do our cone. What's next? Our pyramid should be next. Let's do our pyramid next. We'll get back in order. Okay, friends, on your paper, you need 8 and 8 at the bottom for corners. 8 and 8 at the bottom for corners. Look at the words that you see there. Look at the words that you see there. 8 and 8. 8 and 8. 8, 8. 8, 8. Erase. 8, 8. This we need to erase. This we need to erase. Good. Let's see. What do you have? 8 and 8. Good. Erase this. Erase this. Erase this. Erase this. We're going to erase this. We're going to talk about the pyramid. Okay, friends, we're getting a little confused. We're getting a little confused because we went in a different order. Sorry. Look at this shape. What shape is this? Pyramid. Pyramid. How many corners do we have on our pyramid? Can you show us?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
These are the corners.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good, very nice. Corners, how many corners do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
These are the corners.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, okay. Right of 5. Right of 5. We have 5 corners on our pyramid.
Come here, please. Finish, teacher. Teacher, and this corner.
These are the corners. You're good.
This.
You're good. You're perfect. You're perfect. That's good. Okay, our last one that we're going to do, we're not going to do our edges today. If you have time in your class, you can count the edges for each shape. But today we'll just do our corners and our sides. What shape is this?
Corner.
Cone.
Corner.
Do you see any corners on this cone?
No.
A corner?
No.
Remember, if we think about this, these are our corners.
Yes, 1.
Our corners.
1.
It kind of looks like it. This is a little bit different. This isn't really a corner, because this line is curving around. Our corners, remember, have to be flat, straight lines. They can't be with a curve. What do you think? Any corners?
No.
No, we don't have any corners on our delicious ice cream cone. So our last shape, cone, we have 0 corners. Okay, look at your paper. Look at your paper. Okay, hold on. Put them down. Look at your paper. How many sides or faces are there on a cylinder?
0.
On a cylinder. 2. Good. How many sides or faces on a pyramid?
5.
5. Very nice.
1.
Pangpon, how many sides or faces on a cuboid?
2.
Cuboid. Look on your paper.
1. 6.
6. Good. Pot, how many sides or faces on a cube? What number is your pencil at? 6. Very nice. Good job. How many faces on a sphere? How many sides on our sphere?
Sphere.
On our sphere.
Corner.
How many sides
0.
or faces? 0. How many corners on this sphere?
0.
0. How many corners on our pyramid?
1. 5. 5.
These are our corners.
1. 5.
5 corners. How many sides do we have? How many faces? These are our faces.
5.
We've got 5 again. Very nice. Great job, friends. Thanks for joining us for our math lesson. Everybody say goodbye.